All right, so I can't see if that porch door is unlocked or the front door. I wonder if but the porch door on the back looked like it was unlocked. So I don't know if I should just go to the back and walk in or if I should just try the front door. I'm gonna carry my cup of tea because I figure you look like you belong somewhere if you're walking there with just a cup, like a drink. You know, you look like you're supposed to be there. You don't look like you're up to no good. You know, like I gotta work for the office, even though I'm in my gym clothes or realtor or whatever. I think this doors, the porch door here might be unlocked. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go back to the front. I looked in because they won't let me show me the place. Like, oh well, they're still doing maintenance. Oh, and they gotta clean it. Oh, it might not be ready. It's like, yeah, I'm moving in this place in 2 days, and I haven't even seen what it looked like. They didn't even have a floor plan. Like, you know, so I just wanted to see if there's no bar here. I don't know if this handle's locked. The handle might be locked in this one, but let me go see if this front door's open. No, front door's locked. They're smart. We're gonna try the back door. That porch looked like it might be open. Pause. I know what you're saying. Looks sketchy as fuck. A guy walks up to the front door, looks at the porch, he, tries the front door and then starts walking around the back. But I don't see anyone here, and I feel like old people, no one will care. No one even lives in here. I'm moving in. I already signed the contract and the paperwork to come here. I just didn't give them the first rent check yet. Oh, there's a dog. They told me there's a lot of dogs here. There's a puppy. Let's see if we can get in. Let's see if this is unlocked. Oh, it is. It is unlocked. So we're just gonna walk in and we're just gonna look at this one. And it smells kind of like cigarettes. Hopefully this is the smaller bedroom because there's paint. A really big fucking closet. This bedroom is tiny compared to the bedroom I had. There's a bathroom. They put a new seat on. That's good to know. I should bring my toilet seat, but the other one broke. Is this bedroom bigger than the other one? Smaller closet. Way smaller closet. But kid protective outlets. It's got a bed, vacuum, got an air conditioner in here. But I'm not sure if this one's smaller or bigger. Same size. Why does that one look bigger? I have to bring tape measure, but this is way smaller than mine. It's probably the same width, but like, yeah, this is probably the same width, but like it ends like a lot of feet shorter than mine. Yeah, because my bed will take this. You have a nice in on both sides, and my bed will probably end like here. But on mine, I have this walk space plus the dresser. So, shit, I might not be able to fit my stuff in here. Fuck. I don't know what to do. I might have to like throw out shit. This is why I wanted to see the place. So this is the living room. This is the kitchen. It has a counter. I don't want to touch anything yet, but I just wanted to look at it. It's got a sink. It's got a countertop. Well, you could put a bigger fridge here. I try not to get fingerprints on anything. And it's got drawers, no fingerprints. Oh, a little spice count. Okay, where's my drink? Alright, so this little table here. Not gonna put my computer desk. I'll put it in the other second bedroom, which I don't know which one I'm gonna do. Oh, there's a step down. This is the front door. That's the front porch. Has a fireplace, closet, blah blah blah. I don't know how I'm gonna put my couch, but the kitchen's definitely got way more counter space. I can't put my dining room table. I gotta put the little one here. Still can't fit a dining room table, so I might have to throw that out. But yeah, my couch is probably gonna have to go here and then wrap around. I think the bedrooms, I don't know. I guess I have to put my bed in here And then I guess maybe the big dresser with the mirror, I'll just put in this one because I don't think they're gonna fit. What am I gonna do? Block the porch door with my fucking bed? Or block the closet? I don't know. Fuck. I don't know what to do, and I'm spinning in circles, and I'm lost. Oh yeah, we gotta leave. We gotta leave. We gotta leave the same way we came. Yeah, we leave the same way we came, because then the door's still unlocked. All right, let's try not to get arrested. Any puppy spies outside? No, puppy spies left. We're good. All right, let's go. I think we're good. We're good. All right, get out before someone called the cops on us. Ooh, ooh. Act natural. Okay. See, carrying a drink, you look like you're doing nothing wrong because you have a drink. Who would be doing illegal stuff carrying a tea? That's what I'm saying, right? Like no one suspects a thing. Okay, we're just gonna walk out here. Walk back around. Look natural. Look natural. Alright, stopping the video. But that's the parking lot over there. So just I'll probably walk Khaleesi out of this porch door all the time to not. Maybe if I put a gate on that thing, I can just let Khaleesi chill out on the porch. And hopefully she doesn't jump it. But she knows how to open gates, so I put a gate there. She's going to open it. But yeah. So that was the apartment. Very long video, I know.